Hello, I'm Timbo, plant 85 slides. I work in the bed tilts area. My JFI for the week started with a problem I noticed with my cord. Every time I go to test it, my cord would either fall on the ground, my testing cord, or it would just be tangled up. So what I did was I just added a little piece of metal with two-sided tape on my testing cord, and then I used a magnet. It stays put right where I'm working at. This unit is complete. I'm simply going to test it right now, which instead of looking for my cord or finding it on the ground, I can simply grab it and go. As I test it, the unit's up. That's a complete unit.